Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today I have a very special package from my pal Naomi the Crafty Savage. If you have not seen her channel yet, you should go down to the description box of this video and go and click her link. Just click it. And she said she was going to send me some patty wax, so I was like, okay, but I was like, I think this box is like way too big to send just patty wax. So I'm like, what else is in here? What else is in here? Naomi, what did you do? Before we get started and digging into this package, if you're new here and you like diamond painting videos, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is gently press, just very gently click that button that says subscribe. Very gently click it or tap it with your finger. So let's get into this package. I have my deli machete. Oh my god. Oh, did you see that? I'm a pro. So let's slit this open. Slice this open. Let's slice open the slit. Oh my god, Naomi. You're already a bad influence on me. Naomi is one of those inappropriate people that I love. She's hilarious. And I mentioned that I'm obsessed with patty wax, and she's like, I have patty wax. I'm going to send you some. Okay, so now I need to put this back. Okay. Did I do that right? Melly, Debbie, did I do that right? Okay, so let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Oh my god. Open first, it's soft porn. The Hitchhiker's Guide to the G-Spot. Open second, regular porn. The extra testicle. Open last, hardcore porn, throbbing hood. Oh, what are you doing, Naomi? I'm dying. Okay, so let's open the soft porn, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the G-Spot. Just so you know, this is not meant for children. This video is not meant for children. I was gonna use the deli machete, but I figure I'll just use my hands. What the heck, Naomi? I love how you wrapped everything. Oh my god, is it what I think it is? Yay, more Harbor Freight. More Harbor Freight. That's so nice. Thank you so much. That's awesome. And there's a piece of patty wax in there. I see it. I see it. Oh my goodness. Orange Vanilla Cafe. Let's smell it. Let me smell it. Oh my god, it smells so good, guys. If you could smell this. Oh. So she had a bunch of patty wax and she said she never uses it, so she was sending it to me. Thank you so much. And thank you for the Harbor Freight. Oh my goodness, because, you know, you can't get Harbor Freight in Canada. Just saying you can't. So I'm like one of those lucky Canadians who get spoiled by her American friends. So thank you, Naomi. What is this? What kind of wrapping paper are you sending me? Oh. Revêtement décoratif auto-adhésif. Okay, just kidding. I'm not gonna... What does it say, though? Oh, it's wallpaper. You sent it in wallpaper. You crazy girl. Okay. Now we're gonna open second regular porn E.T., the extra testicle. Naomi, she told me that it's gonna be inappropriate, so... Now I know. Now I know. More Harbor Freight! Yeah! Thank you so much, Naomi. Thank you. Ooh, super sticky patty wax. Oh my god, she sent me 2 Harbor Freights. That's perfect. Okay. Having trouble opening this one. Oh. So this, I think, is super sticky patty wax. And I don't think super sticky smells. This one kind of smells like vanilla-y, but I don't think super sticky is supposed to smell. So maybe this isn't super sticky. Maybe this is vanilla. I don't know. Maybe my nose is deceiving me. It says live like a cactus. Well, how do you live like a cactus? Just be prickly? Be a prick? Thank you so much for the Harbor Freights, Naomi. Oh my goodness, that's so nice of you. Okay. Let's move this wallpaper. Oh no, I just realized there's a card. Oh my goodness, so rude of me. Okay, I'm going to read the card offline here. Offline, over here. Aw, thank you so much. She's like, they were just laying around my apartment collecting dust. I hope you have an amazing day, Naomi. So there's nothing like too personal on here. I hope you enjoy your porn. I threw in some protection for you as well. Aw, Naomi, thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you. That means so much to me. Seriously, like the fact that you guys think of me and like, it's just so giving. Thank you. It says last. Open last hardcore porn. Throbbing Hood. Oh my god. This video's not gonna get monetized, is it? Ooh, look, it came in a really cute Hershey box. Come on, wallpaper. Hershey's Kisses. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. Who knew? When you're eating Hershey's Kisses, you're eating this girl. Okay, that's enough. I'm not going to even comment further on that. Holy mother of pearl, mother of something. Look at this haul. Naomi, are you sure you're not using these? Are you sure this is like a billion bars of patty wax? Okay, let's look and see what flavors I got. Naomi, thank you so much. Okay. Let's look. So we have Black Cherry Fizz. I'm not going to open each one and smell it. I'll probably do that after I'm done. Sex on the Beach. Apricot Chamomile. Apricot. I don't know how to say it. Patty Wax. Pumpkin Crunch Cake. Oh my god, that sounds good. Berry Tangerine. Look at, oh, there's little tangerines or little oranges. Granny's Apple Pie. Grape Nihi? I don't know what Nihi is. Is that some sort of drink? Cranberry Citrus. Pear Berry. Oh my goodness, this is so much. Vanilla Berry. Look at the smiley faces. We have Patchouli. If you want to smell like a hippie, spray yourself with some patchouli or use some patchouli patty wax. Unicorn Forest. This one probably smells like cupcakes or something. Then we also have Vanilla Espresso. Espresso, not espresso, guys. Usually I pronounce it espresso, but it's espresso. I don't know what's wrong with me. Fuzzy Navel. Bird of Paradise. Interesting. Sugar Cookie, yummy. Pink Sands. Cinnamon Chai. I bet this one smells so good. And lastly, we have Saturday Morning Cartoons. Probably smells like cereal. I wanna smell that chai one though. Oh my god, the chai one smells like legit like chai with cinnamon. I don't know what else it was supposed to smell like, but literally, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now, you know when like the police pull over drug dealers and then they're like, oh, this is all the haul that we got from their car, and then they display the bricks of cocaine and stuff on the table and they like pose with it for the news. This is like my drug haul that I got from Naomi. Seriously, that's so much freaking patty wax, and I love the Harbor Freights. Thank you so much, Naomi. If you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you do. The link is in the description box below. I'll also link to her Instagram and anything else that I can find. I'll just stalk her online and maybe put her address. Just kidding. So make sure you check out Naomi. I love her videos, and she's just a really nice girl. She's a little bit inappropriate, but I feel like we all are inappropriate, except for me. I'm like the most appropriate person, right guys? So anyways, if you're new here and you like haul videos, you like diamond painting videos, you like unboxings, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Just caress the subscribe button. Just caress it. Caress it. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. Thank you again, Naomi. You're so sweet. Thank you again. Like seriously, you didn't have to send me this much patty wax, but you know, I love it. I love it. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!